Have you ever felt nervous while speaking English? You understand English, but when it's your turn to speak, you hesitate. You want to improve. You want to sound confident, but you don't know where to start. If this sounds like you, this channel is for you. Welcome to English with Shubh. This channel was created for one clear purpose, to help you speak English confidently in real life. Not only grammar rules, not memorized textbook sentences, but real English used in real situations. Here, we learn through sports matches, trending news, daily events, and real-life stories. Because the best way to learn English is to learn from life itself. You may wonder, there are already many English channels, so what makes this one different? Here, we focus on three powerful things: clarity, confidence, consistency. We use simple words, short sentences, clear explanations, so even beginners can understand easily. Every video helps you improve vocabulary, build strong sentence structure, reduce hesitation, and speak more professionally, step by step, day by day. You may notice that some videos use AI-generated voice. This is done to maintain clarity and consistency. But every script, every explanation, and every lesson is carefully written to give you real learning value. This channel is for students, job seekers, professionals, and anyone who feels nervous while speaking English. If you want to speak confidently in interviews, presentations, meetings, or daily conversations, you are in the right place. If you follow this channel regularly, you will speak more clearly, think in English faster, use better vocabulary, and feel more confident. Remember, fluency is not magic. It is daily practice. If you are serious about improving your English, subscribe to English with Shubh. Because here, we don't just learn English, we build confidence. And confidence changes everything. Let's learn. Let's speak. Let's grow. See you in the next video.